Hi everyone, my name is Anil. Today I am going to discuss about outsourcing. Outsourcing refers to a company that contracts with another company to provide services that might otherwise be performed by in-house employees. Many large companies now outsource jobs such as call center services, email services, and payroll. These jobs are handled by separate companies that specialize in each service and are often located overseas. The most commonly outsourced streams of business include content development, web design and maintenance, recruitment, IT maintenance, and logistics. There are many reasons that companies outsource various jobs, but the most prominent advantage seems to be the fact that it often saves money. Many of the companies that provide outsourcing services are able to do the work for considerably less money, as they don't have to provide benefits to their workers and have fewer overhead expenses to worry about. Outsourcing also allows company to focus on other business issues while having the details taken care of by outside experts. The specialized company that handles the outsourced work is often streamlined and often has world-class capabilities and access to new technology that a company could not afford to buy on their own. Plus, if a company is looking to expand, outsourcing is a cost effective way to start building foundations in other countries. Some other main reasons for outsourcing are to improve quality, knowledge, operational expertise, capacity management, risk management, tax benefits, and scalability. Now, let's discuss some of the advantages of outsourcing. Less capital expenditure. Outsourcing can cut many costs. For example, by outsourcing information technology requirements, a company does not have to buy expensive hardware and software. Continuity and risk management. Periods of high employee turnover will add uncertainty and inconsistency to the operations of a company. Outsourcing will provide a level of continuity to the company while reducing the risk that a substandard level of operation would bring to the company. Focus on core competencies. In rapid growth periods, the back office operations of a company will expand too. This expansion may start to consume resources, both human and financial, at the expense of the core activities that have made the company successful. Outsourcing these activities will allow refocusing on those business activities that are important without sacrificing quality or service in the back office. Operational control. Operations whose costs are running out of control must be considered for outsourcing. Departments that may have evolved over time into uncontrolled and poorly managed areas are prime motivators for outsourcing. In addition, an outsourcing company can bring better management skills to your company than that would otherwise be available. Staffing flexibility. Outsourcing will allow operations that have seasonal or cyclical demands to bring in additional resources when you need them and release them when you are done. For example, an accounting department that is short-handed during tax season and auditing periods. Outsourcing these functions can provide the additional resources for a fixed period of a time at a consistent cost. Some of the disadvantages of outsourcing are less managerial control. It may be harder to manage the outsourcing service provider as compared to managing your own employees. Another disadvantage is if an outsourcing company goes out of business. If the outsourcing service provider goes bankrupt or out of business, your company will have to quickly make a transition to a new service provider or take the process back in house. Threat to security and confidentiality. The lifeblood of any business is the information that keeps it running. If you have payroll, medical records, or any other confidential information that will be transmitted to the outsourcing company, there is a risk that the confidentiality may be compromised. Sometimes outsourcing may be more expensive. Sometimes it is cheaper to keep a process in-house as compared to outsourcing. Quality problems. The outsourcing company will be motivated by profit. Since the contract will fix the price, The only way for them to increase profit will be to decrease expenses. As long as they meet the conditions of the contract, the company will pay. In addition, you will lose the ability to rapidly respond to changes in the business environment. Thank you.